Hey guys, Griffin here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a brand new model, Hawaiian Airlines Boeing 717-200, as you can see. But yeah, anyway, let's get right into it. So wait, beforehand, I want to talk to you about the circumstances surrounding how I got this model, and that is because I ironically got it on Super Bowl Sunday, where we were actually having our Christmas family party. Yeah, we have our Christmas family party usually in like January or February. Last year we didn't have it because my great aunt, the one who usually hosts the party, fell, so we didn't have it. But anyway, you know what? Let's make it a less noisier place. Over here should be fine. But yeah, let's get right into this unboxing. But let me just stand up so that you guys can see. But yeah, I'm just doing this. There's tape on here because the shipping company just puts tape, and they ordered it online. So yeah, take this off. And let's take a peek inside. And there it is, the big plane itself. But I'm trying to do this one hand while I'm recording. Let's just pop this open, all right, and let's just super cool. I don't know, and then just pull it out gently because it's a collector's item. Hang on for a second. Let me just pull this. All right, there we go. Finally got the model of the dang box. Jeez. And then here we are. Just remove this plastic casing. This is gonna take a while. Darn it. Right, I'm gonna just try to do this. Oh, geez. Oh, God. Wait, hang on. Alright, and got this thing off, and whoa. And there we have it. Small one. But still. Such a beautiful plane. And in case you're wondering, yes, this is in the new livery. The new Hawaiian livery, because I know they changed it in 2016, but yeah. Probably gonna put this over there with all my, see I have, because, hang on just 1 second. Just 1 sec. Like, as you can see, I have another Hawaiian plane, but I want this thing to run my smaller routes, but yeah. Anyway, let's get up close with this thing. There's all the details. Trying to feel around, trying to get the thing because the camera's blocking it, but yeah, as you can see. Ow! Kind of pricked me there. But yeah. And sorry guys, I haven't posted in a while, but it's just that I've been super busy. But I did post a video on Sunday saying why, basically why Xbox, PlayStation, and Sega stinks and Nintendo is the best. But yeah, anyway. See you later, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.